fake video calls. So in this video, let's talk about fake video calls. So in the past, I've made a lot of videos on how to make fake video calls, how to prank a friend by using fake video calls, like a whole lot. All right, I'm sure you get the idea. A lot of my subscribers here, they subscribe to my channel basically because I wanted to learn how to make fake video calls, and I understand that the fake video call tutorials are out there right now. You need high quality PC. You need maybe probably to pay heavily for some of these stuff to work. But in this video, I want to show you something. So basically, if you don't have a high end very high gaming PC, or you don't have money to spend on any of these fake video call softwares that are out right now, I will show you how to make a fake video call easily with either just your phone or a laptop, basically any laptop at all. It doesn't really need to be a gaming laptop. All right. So but do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. And this is for educational purposes only. I keep stressing this in every video I make, but I really want to stress this. This is strictly for educational purposes only. Don't use it to hurt anyone or use it for any ill intent. My intention for making videos like this is just to show people how to prank people. Basically just for fun. All right, nothing, no ill intent intended. All right. So without wasting more, it's going to be a very short and brief video. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business.
So if you want to make this fake video call, if you don't have a gaming PC and you want to make this fake video call, you just have to come to this website, this deeplifecam.net. Here you won't really need to, you won't really need the gaming PC to run this video call. All right. But for some reasons, I won't be really going into detail on how to run this video call. All right. But it's very easy to run it on the site. All right. All right. All you have to do is just to come and follow the steps. All right. There's a quick start here. All right. Just come to the website. This same way you don't have to follow the steps. There's a get started button here, as you can see it. All right. So you just have to come here and the follow the instructions that's also use. All right. It's very easy and straightforward to use. Right? You don't really need any of this. You don't need to have like a gaming PC before you be able to run this. All right. So but if you need me to help you to do this thing in detail, just drop a comment in the comment section below or contact me directly and I'll help you set this up. Like I said, for some reasons I won't be going into detail to do this. All right. So thanks.
So I hope that was insightful, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel already. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. All right, so that's that. If you need me to send, if you have any challenges or you need me to make any other video for you, or you need me to make a video in detail about how to use this, please just drop it in the comment section below, and I will attend you to the best of my knowledge. So without wasting much time, see you guys in the next video.